Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video we are discussing home temples, wood temples, home mandir. And I've got a 1, 2, 3 and one design at the back, 4 designs, different color, different patterns and different setup as well, without door, with gopuram, without gopuram, and I'll explain everything in this video, how the home temple is constructed, what all points we need to consider when we are making a home temple, and how the entire structure is designed. Before that, a little information about Aarsun. We are the top, in fact, the biggest home mandir makers. We are not manufacturers, in fact, because everything that you see is handcrafted. So it's craft, it's an art, and we are makers. So we are the top mandir maker across the globe. The number of designs, the number of units we have made in all these years, and the kind of work we have done, I'm sure you'll not find anywhere else. In the colors, patterns, sizes, designs. The most important part is the puja tradition that we cover. In Sanatan, everybody has got their own traditions, and that traditions need to be honored when you are putting up a temple, and that's what we do. And this is the art I'm showing you, the hand carving art that we always talk about, from the modern designs to classical designs, and the entire work structure you're looking at here. I have a temple here with the gopuram, the South Indian style. Let's start with this one. I have multiple units, so I'll give you the sizes in the video itself. I'll measure it. This one is 45 inches left to right, front to back. This is 27 inches. It has got 3 layers. If you see 1, 2, 3, these are the steps part. This is the actual platform where we have the bhog tray. Now bhog tray or diya tray again is your choice part. You want a smaller tray or you want the whole bhog tray. And then we have small storage here, 1, 2 and 1 on that side. This is a drawer. So it's a big drawer. So till this part, this platform is 12 inches. Then we have 3 steps as the client has told us. The total height is 72 inches, close to 6 feet, the entire unit. Everything that you see, the carving part is teak wood. The back panel is teak ply, and this is also made in teak ply. The pillars, the carving structure and everything is teak wood. And this is walnut finish, high gloss walnut finish. And we have brass bells right here. This is an open temple, as you can see. This is open front, sides, everything is open, and this is how the client wanted the size, design and the color. Moving on to the middle one, this is in again teak wood, natural finish, high gloss finish, the natural wood color. As you can see, the texture is very clearly visible. Even the color of the wood is different in some places, and that is quite visible here. And this has no gopuram, no kalash on the top, and it's an open design again, everything open from all sides, more like a palki design or palki sahib, as in the Sikh culture they have this palki. It's a similar kind of design. If we have a dome on top of this one and we remove the elephants, it becomes a palki. We have got diya tray, as I mentioned, half tray is diya tray, full is bhog tray. And then we have 2 drawers, big drawers right here, 1 and 2. Size I'll give you, left to right, this is 4 feet, front to back 18 inches. The platform is 15 inches high, this part is 15 inches high, and the total height till the top of the crown is 6 feet. This is the size of the unit. Quite good, nicely designed pillars, the elephants underneath the pillars, drawers and the tray. And this is the kind of design client wants, and we have created it. Moving on to this one, again a teak wood unit. This is white and gold painted, and the size of this one, 42 inches left to right, 3.5 feet, front to back 2 feet. Platform height is 21 inches. And the total height we have is 6 feet again. Now if you see in all these 3 units, we have different height of platform. And different height of platform is broadly for how we pray. The point I mentioned about the puja tradition. If we are sitting on the floor or we are standing and praying, you can see if I'm standing here, I'm praying. The height where the deities will be sitting is quite good right here. And the overall design is right in front of you. We have got good storage here, one cabinet here, other on that side. Then we have drawers and again a full bhog tray. Bhog tray is a good concept because on some festivals we offer a lot of dishes, different food items, and that time this bhog tray is a good concept. But if you want a diya tray, again, your choice. So broadly, there are three things: the storage part, the garbhagriha, and the top part. So top part again with the gopuram or kalash as you want, with the design on top. If you want, we are not looking for any gopuram or kalash. And then the middle section. In the middle section, the step, as you can see, one step here. Here we have three steps. So this is again your choice part, depending on the number of statues, the photo, and the deities you are going to place inside our garbhagriha. The basic reason remains: we have to give proper respect to all the deities, and this is how we design it. All these points we confirm from you, we discuss with you, and after discussion and understanding the complete requirement, we make temples like these. And color part, design part, size part, your puja tradition part, we cover every aspect. That is the most important part for a home temple. And this is how we are making the most beautiful temples and delivering across the globe. 55 countries we have already delivered to, and the last month we have added three more countries, and now it will go to 58 countries soon. Once we deliver there, I'll start saying 58 countries from 55 countries. Since this tariff issue has gained momentum from with the US, we have been looking for new markets, and Sanatanis are everywhere. So we are getting people from everywhere, we are getting orders from everywhere, and the best part is everything is made to order. Made to order means your choice completely. So far, it is possible. You make a drawing by hand, we can convert that to reality. If you're looking for something by AI, you design something with AI, we can make that too. We have done it already in several units, in furniture also. Even in the temples, we can do it. You belong to a particular tradition, you belong to a particular section, you have your Guruji, and he tells you something like a simple point. The elephant here is standing, the trunk is downwards. Your Guruji tells you the elephant should be sitting or the trunk should be upwards. Very fine point, we cover that. Right here you see a flower, you want an om here, you want some other symbol like a Tamil om, or you want something inside, you want a back panel of LED, you want with doors. I'll move to the door unit right after this, but before that, these very important points, and all these points are absolutely your personal, because this is your home temple. How you pray, how you want to put this temple in your home is entirely your choice. You tell us what you want, we'll make that in solid teak wood, any color you want. Triple shade, dual shade, gold leafing, silver leafing, and white, off-white, champagne. All these colors we have done already for several clients across the globe, and that you can see in our testimonial section on the website. You will see so many units, they are delivered across the globe. I'll move to the fourth one, and here I have the fourth design for you, again in teak wood, antique gold paint with a gopuram on top, a door unit. So the other three I have shown you were without doors. This is a door unit. I'll show you more about this. And then a big storage underneath. It's a big unit, and the size for the unit left to right is 5 feet. Platform height from the ground is 16 inches. This is a door area 46 inches, and the overall height is more than 7 feet, as you can see right here, the overall design. Now when you have big units like this and we have got doors, there's one thing that is quite interesting. See, if we make a fixed door, it will cover this much space on the front. I'll open both the doors, and when the door is single, I cannot see inside from this part. Now what happens is, this covers a lot of area in the front. So what we do is, we make it do fold, a dual fold unit, and it goes right there, so it doesn't occupy much space and it looks good as well. The other thing, if you see inside, we have got an LED back panel, we have got an Om, and this design again is your choice. You want some other design, you let us know, we will make that accordingly. A step inside, as you can see, and then the entire look. Once I close that, I'll show you some more thing here. We have got some extra space on the front, as you can see. If you want to stretch it to the front, till the front part, that can also be done. Entirely your choice. Even these finer points you can see, and accordingly the entire unit is made. Very simple closing. We have got magnets on the door, so it closes easily and stick there because we have got magnets underneath, and then brass bells right here on the door. As you can see, the entire unit, a nicely carved unit from the sides as well, and the pillar design on the front, the entire structure here, you can see this is the head part and then the top part. Looking at all of these units, you can see that every unit is completely as per client's requirement. Even if there is any change, if you want some mantra to be written here, any mantra on the top, you want some other design, you want some figures on the door, we have got a lot of Ashtalakshmi temple we have made a lot of doors with different designs, different deities. You want some particular design, some Guruji or some signatures. We recently made about Sadguru, the signature mark that we have got on the door. All these things we have done already in thousands of units for across the globe. And people are giving us orders. They are trusting our work. They are giving us more orders every day to decorate their home with the best temple possible in teak wood. Teak wood because that's the best wood for furniture. And then again, color choice. I have shown you 4 different colors in this one video, and these are not just 4. We have so many options for you. You decide what you want, we'll make that and deliver to your home. All these units are going to different places. One unit is going to UK, the other 3 are for India, and we have covered entire globe. Let us know what you want. Design your own home temple and let us make it at factory price and deliver safely at your home, that we have done for thousands of clients already. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.